Hyenas are often shrouded in mystery and misconception, frequently portrayed as villainous scavengers in popular culture. However, these remarkable creatures are far more complex and fascinating than their reputation suggests. Found primarily in Africa and parts of Asia, hyenas belong to the family Hyenidae, which consists of 4 distinct species: the spotted hyena, the brown hyena, the striped hyena, and the aardwolf. Each species exhibits unique behaviors, social structures, and ecological roles, making hyenas a subject of great interest in the study of wildlife and natural history. Hyenas are members of the suborder Feliformia, which also includes cats, civets, and mongooses. Despite their dog-like appearance, hyenas are more closely related to cats. The family Hyenidae diverged from other carnivores around 22 million years ago during the Miocene epoch. The evolutionary history of hyenas is marked by a fascinating adaptive radiation, where their ancestors evolved to exploit a variety of ecological niches, from bone-crushing scavengers to insectivorous hunters. Hyenas are built for endurance and power. They possess robust bodies, powerful jaws, and strong limbs, making them adept hunters and scavengers. Their front legs are longer than their hind legs, giving them a distinctive sloping back. This unique body structure provides them with exceptional stamina, allowing them to run long distances without tiring. The spotted hyena, the largest species, can weigh between 40 to 86 kilograms and stand up to 92 centimeters at the shoulder. Their fur is short and coarse, with a sandy or yellowish-brown color and dark spots. Brown hyenas are slightly smaller, with long, shaggy fur that ranges from dark brown to gray. Striped hyenas are distinguished by their striped coat and are smaller than spotted hyenas, typically weighing between 22 to 55 kilograms. The aardwolf is the smallest, weighing between 7 to 14 kilograms and possessing a slender build with a mane of long hair that runs along its back. One of the most fascinating aspects of hyenas is their social structure, particularly in spotted hyenas. Spotted hyenas live in large, matriarchal clans that can consist of up to 80 individuals. The social hierarchy is strictly enforced, with a dominant female at the top, followed by other females and their offspring. Males occupy the lower ranks and often leave their natal clan upon reaching maturity to join other groups. This matriarchal system is unique among large carnivores and is characterized by cooperative behaviors such as group hunting, communal care of young, and defense of territory. Communication within hyena clans is highly sophisticated. Spotted hyenas are known for their vocalizations, which include a wide range of sounds such as whoops, giggles, growls, and screams. These vocalizations serve various purposes, from coordinating group activities to signaling alarm or submission. In addition to vocal communication, hyenas use scent marking and body language to convey information about their status, reproductive state, and territorial boundaries. Brown and striped hyenas, while less social than spotted hyenas, still exhibit some level of social organization. Brown hyenas live in smaller groups called clans or mobs, which consist of related individuals that cooperate in defending their territory and sharing food resources. Striped hyenas are more solitary, often living alone or in pairs, but they may form loose associations with other individuals for mating or scavenging purposes. Hyenas are often labeled as scavengers, but this characterization is an oversimplification. While hyenas are indeed adept at scavenging, they are also formidable hunters capable of taking down large prey. The diet of hyenas varies widely depending on the species and the availability of food in their habitat. Spotted hyenas are highly opportunistic feeders with a diet that includes ungulates, birds, reptiles, and even insects. They are known for their incredible hunting prowess, often working together in groups to pursue and capture prey. Their powerful jaws and strong teeth enable them to crush bones and consume every part of their prey, leaving little to waste. Spotted hyenas can consume up to 30 pounds of meat in one meal, and their highly acidic stomachs allow them to digest bone and other tough materials. Brown hyenas primarily scavenge, feeding on the carcasses of dead animals. They have a keen sense of smell that helps them locate carrion from great distances. While scavenging is their main mode of obtaining food, brown hyenas are also known to hunt small mammals, birds, and insects when carrion is scarce. Striped hyenas have a varied diet that includes small to medium-sized mammals, birds, fruits, and vegetables. They are adept at scavenging but will also hunt when the opportunity arises. Striped hyenas are known to raid human settlements for livestock or food scraps, which often brings them into conflict with people. The aardwolf is unique among hyenas due to its specialized diet of termites. Aardwolves have elongated, sticky tongues that they use to lap up termites from their mounds. They can consume thousands of termites in a single night, providing them with the necessary nutrients to sustain their energy levels. Unlike other hyenas, aardwolves have small, peg-like teeth adapted for their insectivorous diet. Hyenas have diverse reproductive strategies, with significant differences between the species. In spotted hyenas, females have a pseudopenis, an elongated clitoris through which they urinate, mate, and give birth. This unique adaptation is thought to be related to their matriarchal social structure, as it allows females to exert control over reproduction and dominance within the clan. Spotted hyena females give birth to litters of 1 to 4 cubs after a gestation period of about 110 days. Cubs are born with their eyes open and teeth erupted, making them more developed than many other carnivore offspring. Brown and striped hyenas also give birth to litters of 1 to 4 cubs, but their reproductive strategies are less complex than those of spotted hyenas. Brown hyena cubs are born in communal dens, where multiple females may give birth and care for each other's young. Striped hyenas typically give birth in secluded dens, with the mother providing all care for her cubs. Aardwolves have a gestation period of around 90 days and give birth to litters of 2 to 4 cubs. Aardwolf cubs are born blind and helpless, relying entirely on their mother for nourishment and protection during the first few months of life. The lifespan of hyenas varies by species. Spotted hyenas can live up to 20 years in the wild and even longer in captivity. Brown and striped hyenas have slightly shorter lifespans, typically living around 12 to 15 years in the wild. Aardwolves have the shortest lifespan among hyenas, usually living around 8 to 10 years. Hyenas play a crucial role in their ecosystems as both predators and scavengers. By consuming carrion and hunting herbivores, they help regulate animal populations and maintain the balance of their habitats. Their scavenging behavior also aids in the decomposition process, returning nutrients to the soil and reducing the spread of disease. Despite their ecological importance, hyenas face numerous threats from human activities. Habitat loss, hunting, and persecution due to livestock predation have led to declines in hyena populations, particularly in areas where human-wildlife conflict is prevalent. Conservation efforts are essential to protect hyenas and ensure their continued survival in the wild. The spotted hyena, while still relatively widespread, is facing increasing pressure from habitat encroachment and poaching. Brown and striped hyenas are classified as near threatened by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, primarily due to habitat loss and human-wildlife conflict. The aardwolf, although not currently threatened, relies on the conservation of its habitat to maintain stable populations. Conservation strategies for hyenas include habitat protection, anti-poaching measures, and community-based programs that promote coexistence between humans and wildlife. Education and awareness campaigns are also vital in changing public perceptions of hyenas and highlighting their importance to ecosystem health. Hyenas have long held a place in human culture and mythology. In many African cultures, hyenas are associated with witchcraft, darkness, and trickery. Their nocturnal habits and eerie vocalizations have contributed to their portrayal as sinister creatures in folklore and superstition. In contrast, some cultures view hyenas more positively. For example, the Maasai people of East Africa respect hyenas for their scavenging role, which they believe helps cleanse the environment. In certain regions, hyenas are even considered symbols of fertility and protection.